Welcome to Political Wrap, where we share the top developments of the day. Home Minister Amit Shah made an anti-Congress warning on Muslim reservation in Haryana during his visit. In Karnataka, scams dampen Chief Minister Siddharamaya's spirits. BJP has demanded resignation of Siddharamaya. Meanwhile, Centre's all-party meeting will be held on July 21st. Rahul Gandhi is most likely to attend as the leader of opposition party. Supreme Court gets 2 new judges, first from Manipur. Home Minister Amit Shah visited Haryana today ahead of the assembly polls in the state. During his rally, he criticized the Congress, accusing them of taking away reservations from backward classes in Karnataka and giving them to Muslims. He warned that the Congress would do the same there if they came to power. Shah made these remarks at a backward classes Samman Sammelin.
कर्नाटक में बीसी का रिजर्वेशन छीनकर मुसलमानों को रिजर्वेशन देने का, यहां पर भी आएंगे तो यही होगा। मैं आप सभी को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं, हम मुस्लिम रिजर्वेशन हरियाणा में हमारे प्राणांत से भी नहीं होने देंगे। बीसी के हक की हम संरक्षण करें।
In Karnataka, scams are dampening CM Siddharamaya's spirits. The Chief Minister claimed that his wife's 3-acre land was taken by MUDA in the 1990s without her consent for housing development. He said that his wife should have received at least 50 crore rupees in today's market value, but only got 20 crore rupees in form of a large plot. The opposition has alleged this as corruption and nepotism, noting not everyone got such compensation. But in response, the state government set up one-man judicial commission, which is led by retired High Court Judge P.N. Desai, to investigate. Ahead of the monsoon session of Parliament starting on July 22, the government has set an all-party meeting for July 21st. This meeting is particularly significant as it will be the first expected attendance of Leader of Opposition and Congress MP Rahul Gandhi. The aim is to discuss key agendas and strategies for the upcoming session. But as per sources, TMC would not be present at the meeting as they will address July 21st as Martyrs' Day. The Supreme Court has 2 new judges approved by President Draupadi Murmu. The appointments of Justice N. Singh and Justice R. Mahadevan as announced by Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal. Justice N. Singh is the first judge from Manipur to be elevated to the Supreme Court, and he is currently the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. With these appointments, the Supreme Court now has its full strength of 34 judges, including Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud.